The Online Dental Library is an assembly of local, prominent dental professionals who've been invited to research and edit important articles about dental issues and developments in their local communities. These dentists are recognized widely as leading authorities in the dental field. The Dental Library organization finds information on technologies, trends and techniques in today's dental healthcare world. Our selected local dentists review the information and make sure it's relevant for families in their geographic area. Dentistry has changed significantly in the last few years. Your local dental library website offers up-to-date news about the potential impact on your family's future dental care. Today, we are proud to announce our newest community-based dental library website. Let's take a look at a clip.
The National Dental Library has invited Dr. Kelly LeBlanc to author, review, and edit dental articles relevant to family in Spring, Texas and the Woodlands, Texas. Dr. LeBlanc, an alumnus of the top-ranked dental school, University of Texas Health Science Center in San Antonio, has been in private practice for over 20 years and just recently opened a new office in the Woodlands. For the last 10 years, Dr. LeBlanc has been named a top dentist in Houston by H-Texas Magazine. The Consumers Research Council of America has named him a top dentist in America for 7 straight years. Living Magazine, Good Housekeeping, Red Book, and Family Circle have all interviewed Dr. LeBlanc for articles on family and cosmetic dentistry. The National Dental Library would like to welcome Dr. Kelly LeBlanc and local families to the grand opening of the Dental Library of WoodlandsTexas.com and the Dental Library of SpringTexas.com.